Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin with, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a set of spanners. It's crucial to work in a clean, well-lit area to avoid losing any small components during the process. Start by unplugging your Vitamix blender to ensure safety. Next, remove the container from the base. This will give you better access to the clutch mechanism. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew the 4 screws located at the base of the blender. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the base cover off. You may need to use the flathead screwdriver to pry it open if it's stuck. Be cautious not to damage any clips or connectors during this step. Now you should see the clutch assembly. Inspect it for any signs of wear or damage. If the clutch appears worn, it's time to replace it. To do this, locate the retaining clip that holds the clutch in place. Using your spanners, carefully remove the clip. This may require some force, so ensure you have a firm grip. With the clip removed, you can now take out the old clutch. Before installing the new one, it's advisable to clean the area thoroughly. Use a damp cloth to wipe away any debris or residue. This will ensure that the new clutch fits properly and functions effectively. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can have your Vitamix serviced without any hassle. Our professional diagnosis is without obligation, ensuring you know exactly what needs to be done before proceeding. Now take your new clutch and position it where the old one was located. Ensure it is seated correctly. Replace the retaining clip, making sure it is secure. This is a crucial step, as a loose clip can lead to further issues down the line. Once the clutch is in place, it's time to reassemble the blender. Carefully replace the base cover, ensuring all clips are aligned. Reinsert the 4 screws you removed earlier, tightening them securely with the Phillips screwdriver. It's important to ensure that the screws are not over-tightened, as this can cause damage to the plastic housing. After reassembling, give your Vitamix a thorough inspection. Check that all components are secure and that there are no leftover parts. If you're unsure about any step, remember we provide a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision about your appliance's maintenance. Finally, plug in your Vitamix and test it to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you notice any unusual sounds or issues, it may be best to consult a professional. Our service includes no calls, no travel, making it easy for you to get the help you need without leaving your home. Regular maintenance like this can significantly enhance the longevity and performance of your Vitamix blender. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.